What are you playing at?
Tree was up there. Oh shit! Wowzers. Wow, 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 wow.
Oh my god.
You okay?
Yeah.
Right, move forward for me. Move forward now. Do it. Get clutch up. Do it straight away. Let me guide you. Go on the gas for me. I'm not moving. Oh shit. Get on the gas for me. Get the gas in.
Perfect lockdown night in. Limited spaces. Order today at yorkgym.com. Over 18s only. Drink responsibly.
Let's hear some noise for the York City Knights. York City Knights are thrilled to announce the return of competitive fixtures at the new LNER Community Stadium, kicking off with their first Betfred Challenge.
Solicitors, always by your side. Want to find out why so many Mulgrave property home buyers are moving from York to Pocklington? Clue. A beautiful market town, location only 32 minutes away from York at incredibly low prices. Our brand new designer show home is now open, with prices starting from under £180,000. To book your viewing, call 0333 370 2505 or visit Mulgrave Properties.
Hey, fuck you! Jesus fucking Christ! I'm just coming out, no fucks given. What the fuck's this idiot doing here? What the... Are you for fucking real? Fuck me. Okay. Collar recovery, that's about it. If the clutch and that's gone, like, no, a garage.
Oh, fuck's sake. Daft bastard. Look at that, eh? Yeah, what a fucking tosser. Fuck.